News update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern time, 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. And right now, we got markets futures in the red. S&P negative by 14 points, trading at 29.92. NASDAQ negative by 65 points. That's about 0.8%, trading at 81.17. You have the Dow off 160 points, or 0.6%, trading 26,935. We'll start things off. We're going to start it off with the VIX this morning as we enter a new trading week. Last week, we actually hit 13 handle on the VIX. This morning, with negative market action, we spiked to 1584 as of about, we'll pull up, that's Friday, and we'll see where that opens. Actually, it's not open yet, but I see that rising for sure. Jumping over the charts, we'll start off with the Dow, and there's your escalation to the downside. So lows reached at about 4:45 a.m. of 26,815. That was about a 200-point Dow slide from 3 in the morning up until about 5 in the morning. From there, we're up a bit, 26,881. You can see where we closed on Friday's action on the left. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar. We were higher overnight. The slide to negative territory begins at about 3 a.m., 78.84. We dipped to a low of 78.14, currently at 78.45. S&Ps reached a low of 29.82. That was a solid 20-plus S&P points from where we were trading at 3 a.m., which had a high of 3,005, currently trading 29.91. Crude oil market, kind of a similar action. There's your close on Friday. Crude was above $59 last night when you had futures open trading. You trade from above 59 to below 57.50. Crude back above 58 at 58.16. Gold with some volatility as well. Gold correlates as the market was falling apart a bit. You had gold trading higher from 15.19 at 3 a.m. We trade up almost $10 to 15.2860. Gold trading 15.2562. And we got some dollar strength, euro weakness. That all correlating from about 2 a.m. Eastern time at 110.24 all the way down to a low of 109.66, currently just under 110 in the euro US dollar. In terms of other news out there, pretty interesting. The WeWork saga continues as now their board may try and oust CEO Adam Neumann. The problem there is that Neumann, I believe his voting shares, and it specifically said in the prospectus that he could oust the board if he wanted to with his voting shares, but nonetheless, you'll see a battle there over that IPO. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Larry Pesavento coming up right now with Trade What You See. Then, of course, I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Fast Market, Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien all this afternoon. Have a great Monday. Stay tuned.